So you guys are interested in PavePro Green. Here's what you need to know. PavePro Green is an asphalt solvent and a release agent. Where most stuff does one or the other, PavePro does double duty and does both for you. You guys can use it just like diesel, except it's legal and better. Here's why. So when you guys are spraying it on your truck beds, on your shuttle buggies, hand tools, pavers, drag slats, anything, it's gonna stay on there wetter and longer. It's gonna last all day. Whereas diesel, you've got to apply every single time you get mixed, every single time you load the hopper. PavePro has a residual effect, and that flash point keeps it on there and prevents it from drying out. This is gonna increase your efficiency. It's gonna help your equipment last longer, promote the wear life. It's an all-around better product, and it gives you that same great 2-in-1 duty that diesel will. No other product, no citrus, no soy, anything else can do that. You guys have probably tried everything under the sun and had everyone tell you the same thing, but there's a reason that we've been around since '97. There's a reason that we've been ranked #1 by Indiana DOT and Purdue University when they tested every single product on the market. And there's a reason you're watching this video right now. So we know PavePro works. We know it works well. It's also the safest thing that you can use. You can spray it on your hands, you can spray it on your clothes, you can spray it on your boots. It's 100% biodegradable. It's completely EPA and DOT approved. It's non-hazardous, and best of all, it's water deactivated. So if you guys had a bucket on the back of the paver, you spill it on the fresh mat, you don't have to worry about pulling it back up. Take water, toss it on there, totally deactivates it. Don't have to worry about any rutting, any type of potholes forming. It's good to go. PavePro Green is beneficial from manufacturing at the plant to lay down and everything in between. Asphalt plants can use it on the drag chains, on traverse chains, in the drum, anywhere you need to clean up when you spill AC, anything and everything you can use it on there. I mean, asphalt is, as we know, a really sticky and a really messy and a really damaging product. For all it does, it has a lot of wear on everything at the plant. You can use PavePro to increase that life. You won't get the clunking on your drag chains. You'll help keep everything lasting longer. When you put it in the truck bed, especially SMAs and friction course, anything like that, you've got a horrible problem with having to take the backhoe and dig the beds out. You've got to spray everything under the sun. With PavePro, you can expect to get multiple loads off one application, especially on a conventional mix. You could run all day off one application. And when you're laying it down, whether it's the shuttle buggy, whether it's the hand tool, whether it's the hopper on the paver, you guys can expect significantly less messing with and having to spray all the time. It's going to stay on there, it's going to season and build a resilience effect inside of that equipment and on that equipment. Laborers aren't going to have to stop every 3 shovel loads and spray down. I mean, it's all about increasing your efficiency and saving you on the back end. Diesel's cheap, but PavePro works.